Hello, my name is Ishan Shah and welcome to Zinteractive. I have been teaching computer graphics and interactive media in different universities across the world, and currently I'm teaching at one of the prestigious universities in the Middle East. I have created a lot of courses based on CGI since I started this channel, and now I am starting a new course which is based on Unreal Engine Cinematics. Unreal Engine is a powerful toolset that empowers creators to craft immersive, lifelike worlds filled with captivating characters, breathtaking landscapes, and awe-inspiring special effects. With its cutting-edge real-time rendering capabilities, you can seamlessly blend cinematic sequences with interactive gameplay, delivering unparalleled cinematics experiences. In this course, we will dive deep into the intricacies of Unreal Engine Cinematics, exploring its vast array of features and techniques, from creating dynamic camera movements to designing realistic lighting and utilizing advanced post-processing effects. You will learn how to breathe life into your visions. We'll also cover character animation, prop placement, and the art of effective scene composition, enabling you to orchestrate jaw-dropping visuals that leave a lasting impact on your audience. Imagine being able to transport your viewers to fantastical realms, evoke emotions, and immerse them in your stories like never before. Whether you aspire to create stunning cutscenes for your game project or produce cinematics masterpieces for film or virtual reality, this course equips you with the essential skills and knowledge to turn your imagination into reality. That's not only the good news. The good news is that this course will not only be in English, but also it will be in Hindi/Urdu on the demand of my subscribers from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, and all those countries where Hindi and Urdu is spoken. So this is on the request of my lovely subscribers, those who have supported me a lot. So what you're waiting for? If you have not subscribed to my channel, so subscribe it now. Hit the bell icon so you can get the notification when I start this course.